Hello everyone. So in today's video, we will talk about the inbuilt function name, which is search. So again, we are asking user that you enter something and that will get stored in variable s, and we have some predefined string message that is hello world. So search will search anything from the given string. It can be like WO. If you are interested in searching, you will get the answer matches available, and it is from which index number to which index number. If I write suppose EL, we will get the answer. If I write world, we will get the answer. But if I write something like this, DR, so there is nothing like starting with D and then R. So we'll check the output of this. Suppose if I enter W and O, okay, we are getting the output. But then next time if I enter D and R, so we do not have anything with D and R. Suppose E and L, if I write, it is there. So match is available. So search will search anything from the given string. If it is available, it will give you a message available. Otherwise, it will show you that match is not available. Thank you everyone.